this is the new product from Novel, switch panel. This is the color box. And now I'm going to open it. The first one is original 50 stickers. Change whatever you want from the 50 stickers. And this is switch panel instruction manual. This is the switch panel box. I'm going to open it. And you can see there have 8 connectors that can allow you to connect with at most 8 LED lights with the 8 fuses. And also there have 6 fuses replacement. I'm going to pitch it up. Okay, next one is the switch panel screen that allow you. They have total 8 buttons on this, and with the plug and play wiring harness kit. This is the screws and the strong wiring connecting the battery between battery and the switch panel. Actually, this is the wiring harness case. Plug and play. And also this is the strap tabs. Actually, they have total 3 different breakers that can allow you to install on different position on your cars. This is the brackets for install the switch panel on different positions. Okay, now I'm put it back. Oh yeah, the last one. The voltage protection breaker. Oh, it's hard. It's actually it's best. It's a selling point on this product. Okay, now I'm going to put it back. Put it all back. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.